A metal roof typically costs more upfront than a basic asphalt shingle roof. But the installation price does not tell the whole story. Asphalt or cedar roofs often need to be replaced every 15 to 20 years. Over 50 years of homeownership, that could mean paying for 2 or 3 complete roof replacements, along with tear-off, labor, and disposal costs each time. A quality Interlock aluminum roof is designed to last a lifetime. That is why the better comparison is not simply today's price. It is the total cost of ownership over the number of years you plan to stay in the home. For homeowners staying longer than 7 years, the long-term numbers can begin to favor metal roofing. The upfront investment is higher, but with Interlock, you will never re-roof again.
There's this lifetime warranty with Interlock. Now, it's not going to do me a whole lot of good because I am a senior, but it's transferable, which was good. And part of the reason I committed to putting a new roof on is because it had 4 to 6 years left on the roof, and I just went, I don't want it to start leaking before that time. And again, when you have the opportunity to make the change, that's what I decided to do.
What makes an Interlock roof valuable? It is not just how long it lasts. An Interlock aluminum roof can become a visible selling feature when it is time to put your home on the market. Instead of buyers worrying about an aging asphalt roof, they can see a durable roofing system backed by a transferable lifetime limited warranty.
We plan to live here for a while, but also can see that when we sell it, it'll be a feature, I think, of the house for the next buyer.
Metal roofing may also qualify for insurance savings, depending on your provider and location, because of its strong fire and impact resistance. And with reflective, energy-efficient coatings, an Interlock roof can help reduce the amount of solar heat absorbed into the home. That can mean less demand on your cooling system during hot weather. Long-term protection, added resale appeal, potential annual savings. That is how the value of an Interlock roof continues long after installation day. Visit interlockroofing.com to explore the benefits. The long-term value of a metal roof depends on its ability to endure.
This house had an old cedar shake roof, getting fairly long in the tooth. 30-year-old cedar shake roof and covered in moss and alive. The birds liked it, but it was at the end of its life, and so it needed to go. And insurers in this part of West Vancouver in particular, which is on the edge of a forest, will no longer insure cedar shakes. So we needed to look for an alternative. And this is what we landed on.
Interlock aluminum roofing is engineered to resist wind speeds of up to 120 miles per hour. Impact-rated systems can achieve a UL 2218 Class 4 rating, the highest classification used for roofing impact resistance. Metal roofing is also non-combustible and can provide Class A fire protection when installed as a complete rated roofing assembly. Because Interlock roofing is made from aluminum, it will not rust. It also avoids many of the problems associated with aging asphalt or cedar roofs, including curling, cracking, and protective granule loss. That can mean fewer storm-related repairs, fewer material failures, and a reduced risk of water damage entering the home. Durability is not simply an added benefit. It is what allows an Interlock roof to provide dependable protection for decades and makes the long-term cost of ownership argument possible.
This environment's tough. It's ice and snow and rain and needles, so an indestructible roof fit the bill. It's the last time we'll have to roof, and because this is a challenging environment here, other kinds of materials I think would not have held up for very long at all, really. It does actually feel really good. It does seem pretty bulletproof, and that matters here. We get windstorms, we get branches falling on the roof, we get everything you get on the West Coast, and it feels a lot more comfortable having what's up there now than it did having the old cedar shakes.
Is an Interlock roof right for everyone? Not necessarily. If you are planning to sell your home within the next few years, you may not have enough time to realize the full financial benefits of a premium aluminum roof. The value builds over time through decades of protection, avoided roof replacements, potential insurance discounts, and possible energy savings. A metal roof may also add resale appeal, but selling shortly after installation may not allow you to recover the entire premium. For a short-term homeowner, architectural shingles may sometimes make more financial sense. But if you are planning to stay in your home, an Interlock roof can provide long-term value that continues year after year. The question is not only, what does the roof cost today? It is, how long do I need it to protect my home? Learn whether Interlock is right for your home at interlockroofing.com.